Hi everyone, here sharing the way I teach measuring angles accurately. To find an angle, most of us would do this using the side of pencils, pens, brush, rulers, or some similar object to align the angle of the intended angle to draw. And without tilting the object, we lower it to the drawing to sketch. Let's try that again. If we are new to this, most of us would be changing the angles as we move the measuring instrument, and without knowing so. One of the neatest things to carry around is then a magnetic viewfinder. Once locked, the angles never change. If you don't have a magnetic viewfinder, the next best thing is to keep your sketchbook close to your building while measuring, or bring your sketchbook to your measuring instrument as you are taking the reading. Hope this helps. Here's to more accurate angles. Alvin Mark here, over and out.